Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you top 5 nostalgic Minecraft mod packs that you probably forgot about. Number 5, Vaults. This is one of the most chaotic tech-based mod packs of its time. It introduced missiles, nuclear reactors, and full-on warfare. It was popularized by the Yogscast group. It was originally released in 2013, but it faded shortly after. Number 4, Agrarian Skies. This mod pack combined Skyblock with a quest-based progression system. It was released in 2014 on Feed the Beast and introduced custom recipes, automation, and mods like Tinker's Construct and Thorncraft. You basically start from nothing on a floating island, and players have to grind, automate, and survive. It had over 2 million downloads, and it helped define modern questing mod packs. Number 3, Stoneblock. This was another twist on Skyblock, except for this one you start underground instead of the sky. It was released in 2018 and it featured mods like the thermal expansion and Ender.io, along with alchemy and automation systems. It's not ancient compared to others, but it's already nostalgic to many players. Next up we have Greg Tech. If you wanted complex mechanics, this was the one for you. It was released in 2015 and it featured over 3,000 quests. It had an incredibly deep progression system and a mix of technology and magic. It's still remembered as one of the most detailed and challenging mod packs ever made. And number 1, Crazy Craft. Many YouTubers used to play this. Probably remember Ellie Shadow Lady using it. It was released in 2015 and included around 60 mods featuring Ore Spawn, Morph Mod, and Superheroes Unlimited. You could transform into mobs, wield insanely overpowered gear, and fight massive bosses. It never updated past 1.7, but the later versions like Crazy Craft 4.0 kept the madness going. I still play this one to this day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.